The Cisco RealWear partnership is a pretty important part of what we do at Cisco. We're very involved with collaboration and integrating collaboration into workflows of key vertical industries that we serve with our customers. And manufacturing happens to be a really big area for us. And we have a number of initiatives that involve connecting workers. How do we plug them into the network? How do we plug them into the factory? And all of the devices that Cisco is connecting and all that information so they can act on it. Signaling, analytics of data, things that are going on. How do we plug them in a safe way, hands-free, eyes forward? And when we get involved in some of our customers at fixing a very expensive piece of machinery, it's an automated arm that's doing assembly of something, or it's a cutting machine that's doing subtractive manufacturing. I mean, the downtime of that piece of equipment for a day honestly pays for the deployment. We see ROIs of 1 day in the case of that failure. I've never seen that before in my career, how you get a true ROI of deploying a solution within 1 day. One failure avoided, takes care of this.